y'all. So this is a trade setup I'm in currently on NASDAQ. So on this setup here, market is still shorting. Yesterday I did not take a trade. Yesterday was Wednesday. That video I did upload late because I was just busy. So today is Thursday and this is the setup I'm taking right now. So on this setup we broke structure, right? We broke structure right here. Exactly right here is where we broke structure. And I just waited for price to creep up to my zone. We didn't invalidate. It looked like it did, but we didn't. As soon as I got that tap, I got my entry in right here kind of early. And then, you know, we broke the candle with this candle right here. So I'm just currently waiting for price to go tap that 1-to-1. As soon as it gets to the 1-to-1, I'm going to try to break even. And I'm going to let runners run to that 1400 right there, y'all. So this is the setup here today. I am risking $936 to make 1400. I'm not going fully for a 1-to-2 because I'm trying to hit that, you know, I don't want to break that consistency rule. So I'm trying to keep it under 1500 with top step. You know, especially with the combine. Like, if you know, like the combine, you have to make under 1500, under 50%, right? So this is the setup here, y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it run at that 1-to-1, and I'm gonna trail, y'all. Currently at 700. Letting price continue to drop down, y'all, on this setup here. This is what the numbers looking like. As soon as it gets to the 1-to-1, I'm gonna trail to the break even, y'all. Let me drop down to the 1 minute, see what the 1 minute doing, how the EMA is looking like. Okay, so we're under the 15. We're in between here, so I would need to break this white line right here. Yeah, this is setup, y'all. This is what we looking like here on NASDAQ. We're getting close to that 1-to-1. I'm gonna go ahead and trail right now, y'all. Go ahead and trail. $40 in profit, and I'm gonna just let price do what it do. Sitting on my hands, you know, I'm not taking no L's today. I'm just letting price run it. 1-to-1 tapped. 1-to-1 tapped. Well, it didn't fully tap, but close to tap. Alright, 1-to-1 tapped, y'all. 1-to-1 tap. We're getting close to that 1400 mark. I'm sitting on my hands, y'all. And I'm just letting the trade play out. If we get stopped out at the 1-to-1, I mean at the break even, you know, it's all good. You know, I didn't take a L. But my thing is, I'm working on holding my trades, y'all. I'm working on holding my trades and just being able to sit through and let the strategy play out. Let the strategy do what it's supposed to do. You feel me? So I'm just sitting on my hands and just letting it play out, y'all. If we get stopped out, it's all good. This candle closes in 36 seconds. Overall, the market is bearish today, so I would expect it to go ahead and tap my TP, you know. And I missed a couple setups today, bro. Like, it was like a couple setups, y'all. This was the main setup, right? I marked this setup out, but when I got here, this candle already tapped, and my eyes was moving too slow, so like I didn't notice that it tapped. So by the time this candle broke is when I noticed that this candle actually tapped into the zone already, and I was like, damn, what the fuck. So candle was like really like all the way right here already, and I was like, damn, I'm not gonna chase it, you feel me? I'm just let it do what it do. But this was the original move right here. I just didn't notice right away type shit, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, this was the second setup. This is the second setup that tapped. We did not invalidate, you know, we just tapped. So, you know, letting the trade play out. Y'all might be like, damn, I don't secure profit, bro. Secure profit, bro. Because like every time I secure profit, the trade end up going to my TP. You feel me? And I feel like I just gotta sit on my hands and let the trade just do what it do. Because like, if you got a system in place and you know your system works, you just gotta let the system play out, right? Just let the system play out. If we could get a break of this low right here, a break of this candle low, we definitely finna smack TP, right? But I feel like you have to let your system play out. If you don't let your system play out, you can never get high risk to rewards, right? You can never get high risk to rewards if you don't let your system play out. So that's the main thing I'm working on. And I've been not reading, but I've been listening to audios, and there's this one specific individual. His name is Jesse Livermore, right? I recommend y'all listen to Jesse Livermore. He has amazing psychology, right? When it comes to trading, it's just like being patient, waiting on your right setup to play out. As soon as you see your setup, that's when you're supposed to take the trade, you feel me? And being able to sit through your trade and do nothing. Like once you press buy or sell, you're supposed to be able to sit through the trade and just let the trade play out if you have a system in place. Because the whole point of the system is basically to win trades, right? So if you know you have a system in place, why not let it play out, right? And I've struggled with that constantly, you know, just from the beginning. But now I'm starting to just let the trade do what it do. Like I've realized that within myself, like I'm just letting the trades play out and let it do what it do, like just sitting on my hands. And like I say, like if I get to the 1-to-1, which we tap, I just move my pricing to break even, right? That way I'm not taking an L, so it's really nothing to do, right? Currently floating 1,000 in profit on this trade, y'all. Let me see if I get it to focus. Right, 1,170 in profit on this trade. Beautiful setup. We're close to smacking TP, y'all. Couple ticks away. Couple ticks away from TP. So current price on the eval right now is 50,900. We so close to TP, y'all. So close to TP. It's not even. I'm not even going for the full 1 or 2 because, like I said, Top Step has the consistency rule, the 50% consistency rule. So you can't make over 50% of your full account balance. And then I did take a L, so I'm not even trying to risk that, because if I do go over the 50%, then I'm gonna have to just, you know, it's gonna take longer to pass the eval, basically, right? So yeah, this is where we at with it, man. Just letting the trade do what it do, letting it play out. Hopefully we can hit TP1. Currently flowing 1,000. Profit. Drop down to that 1 minute. That 1 minutos. Un minutos. Right? Go ahead and trail some more. Probably trail right here. Trail right here, y'all. 500. 5 minutes. I trail to the top of this candle, right? The reason why I trail to the top of this candle is because if we break this high, then, you know, we out. Because this is a, you know, I was at break even, but this is a valid point right here. 24 minutes on this candle. Letting the trade play out, y'all. Floating 1,000 in profit. I'm just letting the trade play out, letting it do what it do. We have momentum, so I feel like the next candle should tap. Hopefully. I hope so. I hope so. If we get a break of this candle low, then we should be good. Break with strong momentum to tap. Or we could reverse. Who knows? Who the fuck knows? Right? like it wants to push down. It's after 1 minute. I just trailed to the 1-1, y'all. I just trailed to the 1-1, and from here we just letting it play out. From here we just letting it play out, y'all. Go back to the 5 minute. Go back to the 5 minute dose. Can we break that low? We have momentum pushing towards the downside, so we're gonna see. All right, we just broke the low, y'all. We just broke the low on this trade right here. So, well, on this candle we broke this candle low. So, just waiting for price to tap this zone, y'all. Tap my TP so I could get out the trade. All right, y'all. Secured. Nice setup today. 1,491. Beautiful execution. And that was amazing, y'all. That was amazing. Right. So current balance sitting at 51,148. Right. Let me go on my stats so I can show y'all. All right. Right. So Monday, I took a loss on Monday. Took 2 trades, took a loss. Tuesday, May 6, 27. This was the video I uploaded yesterday, which was supposed to upload on Tuesday, but you know. Wednesday, I didn't take no trades because simply, reason why I didn't take no trades on Wednesday is because I lost my fucking laptop charger. So today, made this right here. Beautiful trade setup. Took 1 trade, waited for that perfect setup, and annihilated.